Hey friends, I have uploaded first part of the consonants in Hindi previously. Now there is the second part of the consonants which will complete the list of the consonants. Hope you have practiced the first part of the consonants. Now the pronunciations are t, t, t. A word from t is tarbooj. तरबूज तरबूज त र बू ज तरबूज तरबूज means watermelon त th th in English as you say thermometer, so there is the same pronunciation th th. A word from th is thermos 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 in Hindi and English are same thermos the the as you say in English the, it is the same pronunciation the. A word from the is dawai dawai the va e dawai. Dawai means medicine medicine dha dha dha. A word from dha is dhaga 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 means thread na na na. As you say man in English, it contains the same pronunciation na man na. A word from na is namak namak na ma ka namak. Namak means salt salt pa pa. By using your lips you can pronounce this character pa pa. A word from pa is palak palak spinach spinach palak fur fur fur. You can pronounce fur like flower flower flower. The first character is fur. A word from fur is fal 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 fal. Fal means fruit fruit b b. By pressing some pressure on your lips you can pronounce b b. A word from b is bandar bandar bandar. Bandar means monkey monkey bha bha bha. A word from bha is bhalu bhalu bhalu. Bhalu means bear bear like teddy bear bear ma ma ma. A word from ma is machli machli ma cha li machli. Machli means fish year year year. A word from year is yagya 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 yagya. Holy fire holy fire. This word is little bit tough, so the another example is yatra 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 yatra. Yatra means travel travel. These both words are from year r r. As you say run in English, it is the same pronunciation r. A word from r is rang rang rang. Rang means color color love love. As you say love in English, it is the same pronunciation love. A word from la is lakdi lakdi लकड़ी, ल-क-ड़ी, लकड़ी. Lakdi means wood. V. A word from V is one. One. It has the same pronunciation as numeric one. One. One means forest. Sh. 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 You can easily pronounce that character from the sound to silent someone. Sh. Sh. From that kind of sound, you can easily pronounce the character sh. A word from sh is shank. Shank. Shankh. Shank. In English, seashell. Seashell. Sham. 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 It is same as previous one sh, but it has quick sound of sh. Previous one was sh and this one is sh. Sh. A word from sh is shatkon. 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 Shatkon means hexagon. S. 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 You can pronounce that character easily from C. C. It has the same pronunciation as S. A word from S is sap. 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 Sap means snake. Snake. H. 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 You can pronounce H like happy. Happy. It also has the sound of H. A Hindi word from H is hara. 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 Hara means green. Green. Well, my name also starts with H, which is Hina. So you can remember that also. H. Sh. Sh. Well, the previous sh and that sh are little bit similar and that character is not in that use, but still it exists in Hindi. The pronunciation contains a little bit sound of k. K. Like in English K, it contains a sound of k. You can understand the difference between the previous sh and that sh by using the words. A word from sh is kshatriya. 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 Warrior. Tra. 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 Like you say in English tree. Tree. It is little bit same. Tra. Tra. Like train. Tree. Tra. Tra. A word from tra is trishul. 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 Trishul means trident. Gya. 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 A word from gya is gyan. 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 Gyan means knowledge. Gyan, knowledge, which you all are taking from those pronunciations. Please try to pronounce these all consonants and vowel so that one day you can speak Hindi very clearly. Consonants and vowels are the base of Hindi pronunciations which you must know to speak clear Hindi. So again and again try to pronounce them because it is good for your tongue and your face exercise also. Thank you. If you like it, then subscribe, please. And if you have any queries, then please comment below. Please subscribe, share and comment. That's your Indian friend Hina. Namaste. Thank you.